In this problem, we have to find the number of permutation of the letters in each of the following words. And the first question that is given is DIVYA. So firstly, we have to count how many letters are there. If we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters are there. And none of the letters are repeating itself. So we will write the answer as equal to 5 factor. Now let's move on to the second question that is given as Shantaram. In this one, we have to count how many letters are there. And that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we will write it as equal to 9 factorial. But if you can see here, there are 3 A's, so we will write it dividing with 3 factorial. And other than that, none of the word is repeating. We will write the answer as equal to 9 factorial by 3 factorial. Now let's move on to the third question that is given as represent. Here we will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 words are there, so we will write as equal to 9 factorial. And then since there are 3 E's, we will divide it with 3 E, 3 factorial. And then we are having 2 R's, so we will divide it with 2 factorial. Now let fourth question that is given as combine. So if you can see here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 letters are there, so we'll write as equal to 7 factorial. Let's move on to the last one that is given as BALBHARATI. So if you can count how many letters are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we'll write it as equal to 10 factorial. And then since there are 3 A's that are repeating, so we will write 3 factorial. There are 2 B's that we can see, so we will divide it with 2 factorial. And also we are not having any other words rather than 3 A's and 2 B's. So we will divide it with 3 factorial and multiply it with 2 factorial. That's it. That's the answer of all the questions that you are getting here.